Hi guys, welcome to Tech 360. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to fix Microsoft Store opens and closes immediately in Windows 10 or Windows 11. So first you have to go here the search box and write WSRESET reset.exe. Now just click on open and see your Microsoft is open or not. In my case it's open, so there is no problem, but if in your case it's not open, then you have to go to the second step, which is going here again this search box and write troubleshoot settings. Click on this troubleshoot settings, then now click on this additional troubleshooters, then scroll down and you'll find at the bottom Windows Store application. Click on this and then click on run the troubleshooter. Hold on, it is diagnosing. You can see that sign in with a Microsoft account, it is a solution. Just click on next. Now just click on, you can see here that there is a problem found, Microsoft account required, which is not fixed. So fix the problem here and then close and check back if it's working for you or not. If it's still the issue, then you have to go to the next step, which is go here, write MS Store, Microsoft Store, and you'll find here this drop down menu, this one. Click on this and you'll find here then app settings. Just go to app settings, scroll down, and you can see here this reset option and repair option. Just click on repair first. You can see here this tick sign, that's mean your uh, browser is reset repaired, but you have to reset it again. Just click on this reset, and you can see there that reset is also ticked. Okay, now check back and see if it's working for you or not. If you find this still issue, then you have to go here again search box and write here services. Now click on this open. You can see here all of the applications from your computer. So you have to go Microsoft Store. So click on M and then find Microsoft uh, Store install. Microsoft Store, this one, Microsoft Store install service. Just double click on this and you'll find here this startup type. If it's manual, make it automatic, and if it's stop, make this running. So just make sure your startup type is automatic and your service status should be running. If it's all good, then click on apply and OK. Now the second step is you have to find client C, client license and services, this one. Double click on this client license service and you'll find here this manual. That should be manual, but the service data should be running, and just click on OK. Now check back and see that if your problem is solved or not. If you still find the issue, then go to the next step. The next step is uh, go here and write PowerShell, Windows PowerShell. Click on run as administrator. Click on yes. Now you have to put here a command, this command, this one, the first command here. You can pause the video and you can just write it here directly, and again this command. Just pause the video and write it accurately into this PowerShell. Now click on enter. After clicking enter, you have to restart your computer. After restart, I hope your issues will be fixed. Okay, so guys, this is how you can do this. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.